Pizarchik here, former Director of the Office of Surface Mining Reclamation and Enforcement. The Federal Surface Mining Control and Reclamation Act of 1977 provides funds to states and tribes across the nation to reclaim pre-law abandoned coal mines. Reclamation activities are vital to the economies of our country.
Today we're at a construction site in the community of Bradenville, Pennsylvania. We're working for the Abandoned Mine Lands Program of the Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection, and this project is stabilizing 137 homes in the community of Bradenville. The coal beneath the community was mined. The problem now is that those old workings are collapsing down at mine level, which can cause collapse at the surface level, and then that can impact the stability of these homes and the safety of the public. We've drilled nearly 700 holes from the surface into the deep mines. The deep mine can range from maybe 10 feet below the surface to over 100 feet below the surface. And then once that hole is drilled, we then manufacture and pump a grout or a concrete that gets hard and stabilizes the old mine workings. So at Howard Concrete Pumping, we employ about 100 people. The Abandoned Mine Lands Program can account for as much as 50% of our workforce at any given time. We work for the AML program here in Pennsylvania and as far west as Wyoming and just about everywhere in between. So it is a significant source of opportunity for Howard. Our employees include engineers, geologists, union tradesmen. So these are good paying jobs, wages, salaries, and good benefit packages that are above industry norm in the construction industry. And there are opportunities for a local workforce. So oftentimes our employees are working in the very communities in which they live. We're also partnering with other small businesses and local businesses to complete these projects. So I'm talking about material suppliers like cement manufacturers, quarries, trucking companies, engineering companies. All of these partner with us to complete these AML projects. By stabilizing the old mine workings, we're improving property values, we're promoting public safety, we're supporting home ownership for these residents. So it's a huge benefit, and the AML program provides funding where oftentimes either private investment is lacking or is cost prohibitive, or perhaps in communities that lack the resources for redevelopment.
The AML funding is scheduled to end. Congressional action could extend funding through 2036. If funding is renewed, jobs will be saved, communities will be lifted out of poverty, and all of the economic benefits of our other videos will be realized, not just in Pennsylvania, but across the United States.